Happy New Year! I'm Kichiemon. Let's cooking. Today is Japanese zoni. Wow, mochi. I like it. Have you eaten mochi? It looks delicious. Let's eat.